Today we will discuss about graphs. The body is moving one-dimensional motion. The important properties of various graphs we'll study about today. Okay. Let number one. There is a graph, students. Let it's a displacement time graph. That means here I have taken displacement. X, y axis, and let time in y axis. Time x axis. Let the graph is like this. Friends, I want to find the instantaneous velocity at any point. I want to find the instantaneous velocity at any point. Friend, displacement time graph. How you will get the velocity? From the slope. You know, slope means displacement by time. The slope of displacement time graph gives what? Velocity.
Velocity.
We want to find the slope from this graph. Slope माने कौन पिले? Displacement time graph of slope. That means velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. So the slope of displacement time graph gives me velocity. But instantaneous velocity at a particular time, let at this time, what is the velocity? For that, what we have to do, students? Slope of the tangent at a point. That at this point, I want to find the velocity. Then what I have to do? I have to draw the tangent. Let it is making an angle theta with the positive x-axis. So, right, students. This is xt curve. This is displacement time xt curve. But at this point P, I want to find the instantaneous velocity. Students, write slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent at a point. Slope of the tangent at a point. The displacement time graph. At a point on the displacement time graph. Time graph gives the instantaneous velocity. Gives the instantaneous velocity. Gives the instantaneous velocity at that point. That means, students, here slope means tan theta, that is equal to dx by dt. How the displacement changes with respect to time, that is equal to v, that is known as instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity at point P. Instantaneous velocity at point.
Speed.
The slope money, how
Speed.
y changes with respect to x. Let I have taken a graph. Let the body was at this point and here the coordinate was x1 and y1. A point of coordinate x1 and y1. Let a distance the x1. A distance the y1. Point A point thila. The body moved to point B. A point to point chali gala. That is coordinated x2 y2. So this total distance is how much, students, now? X2. This total distance is how much, students, now? Y2. When x1 changes to x2 and y1 changes to y2. How much change? What is the change in x, students? Change in x kete? Change in x is x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. Similarly, change in y kete pile? What is the change in y? Change in y, that is y2 minus y1. y1 thila y2 he gala, y2 minus y1. So that change is known as slope. That change is known as slope. Students, I want to know what is the slope of this line. That means if I will take this one as theta, students, this one is also theta. Two parallel lines. This is parallel line. This is one parallel line. If this is theta, this will be theta. And student, if total is y2 and this much is y1, then this is how much? y2 minus y1. This is y2 minus y1. Student, this is x2. Total is x2. This much is x1. Then this to this will be how much? x2 minus x1. So I want to know slope means change in y by change in x. Slope means change in y by change in x. Slope means change in y by change in x. That is students y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And in this right angle triangle, students, in this right angle triangle, you see this is a right angle triangle, 90 degree. This is theta. And student, tan theta will be how much? P by B. Na? You know tan theta is equal to P by B, perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is how much here? This is perpendicular. Theta का opposite जो है वो perpendicular है. That is y2 minus y1. That is y2 minus y1. Then here student how much? x2 minus x1. This distance is how much? This is base. Base is how much? x2 minus x1. So student, slope is also change in y by change in x. Slope is also tan theta. Tan theta is also slope. So student, slope of distance time graph. That means distance divided by time. What you will give? The slope of distance time graph gives what? Slope of distance time graph. Slope of distance time graphs. Give students how much? Displacement by time is what? Speed. Slope of distance time graph gives distance by time is equal to speed. So it's like that slope of displacement time graph will give what? Slope of displacement time graph. Slope of displacement time graph. Slope of displacement time graph. Will give what, student? That is displacement by time. Displacement by time is how much?
Velocity.
Velocity. So slope of displacement time graph will give velocity. Like that, student, slope of velocity time graph will give what? Slope of velocity time graph.
Displacement.
Acceleration. Slope of velocity time graph. Slope of velocity time graph gives what, students? Velocity by time. That means velocity by time. That will give what? Acceleration. So if I want to find the slope of any curve, then at what point I want to find this? See this one. Oh, point removes instantaneous velocity काढ़िया को चाहूँगी से point को ଗୋଟେ tangent draw करीबी. So tangent टा जितनी की angle करीबो positive x-axis सहित. If I will take tan theta, then that will be the slope. That you want to find average velocity during the time interval. You want to find the average velocity during the time interval. That means that in the second case, we're having the same type of graph, having the displacement time graph. We're having the displacement and time. Displacement let x, time let t, students. And I'm having the same type of graph. And I want to find this point, a point x initial, or time also initial time. After some time, let it is having this velocity. This is x final. Time is let t final. And here, ये जो slope, दो chord को जो slope join कर रहा है, student, this is the point, this is the point. Let I draw a slope. I draw a line. Slope of the chord joining two points. ये जो दो points को जो chord join किया, how much angle it is making with the axis theta? I want to find this theta angle. This two chord, how much angle? This is a point, initial point. This is the final point. I draw the straight line between two points. That is the slope of the chord joining two points. It's right here. Slope of the chord. Slope of the chord. slope of the chord joining 2 points, slope of the chord joining 2 points on the displacement time graph, joining 2 points on the displacement time graph time graph gives displacement time graph gives the average velocity gives the average velocity gives the average velocity during the time interval gives the average velocity during the time interval during the time interval during the time interval between those points during the time interval between those points. That means if I want to find the slope here, the slope related to tan theta. Previous example we saw. So this time interval is how much? Tf minus T1. This time interval is how much? Xf minus X initial. That means if I want to find slope tan theta is equal to how much? P by B, that is X final minus X initial divided by T final minus T initial. That is equal to V average velocity. बुझिला ना এই পয়েন্টটা কেতে থিলা রে কেতে দূরতার থিলা xi দূরতার থিলা না টোটাল এই পয়েন্টটা কেতে দূর থিলা xf তাহলে ডিফারেন্সটা কেতে ভারি হবে ফাইনাল মাইনাস ইনিশিয়াল তখন xf minus xi তাহলে xf minus total xi I will get this distance, and if this one I will get t final minus t initial. T final is more, t initial is less, so tf minus t1. But here student xf minus xi, I will get xf minus xi. So student xf is less na and xi is more na. Yes or no? So final minus initial, what will happen? It will be negative na. That means slope is decreasing. Student understood how to find the slope of a chord?
Again, sir.
Next, let's go to another velocity time graph. Slope of velocity time graph gives acceleration. Here, let it is velocity and it is time. The graph is like this. Friends, I want to find the slope at this point. I want to find the slope of this point. What I have to do? I have to draw the tangent. I have to draw the tangent at this point. At P point, I want to find the draw the tangent. This is the tangent to the curve. And here the tangent is making an angle theta. And this is student velocity time graph, Vt graph. This is the slope of the tangent at that point on the velocity time graph, right? Slope of the tangent, slope means tan theta, slope of the tangent, slope of the tangent at a point, slope of the tangent at a point on the velocity time graph, a point on the velocity time graph, the velocity time graph gives instantaneous acceleration, gives instantaneous acceleration. At that point, instantaneous acceleration at that point. That means students tan theta is equal to dv by dt. That is equal to a. That is instantaneous acceleration at p. That is instantaneous acceleration at p. Like that, students, this is theta. So tan theta is equal to rate of change of velocity dv by dt. Students, let in the same case again. The curve is like this, students, and let here is the velocity. This is velocity time curve. Let student here the velocity is let v initial, and let here the velocity is v final. And this time is at this time in here time t1, sorry t initial, and here you take the time t final. Okay, what do we have to do, students? We have to draw the chord. In this point, we have to draw the chord. This is the chord. This is the chord. Let the chord is making angle. I told always we are taking with positive x-axis how much angle theta. So student here tan theta will be how much like in the previous case? V final minus V initial divided by T final minus T initial. This is positive. That means increasing. What is getting accelerated? This is increasing graph. Here you will get a average. Acceleration average will get. That is average acceleration. This is average acceleration. This is average acceleration in the time interval TF. Average acceleration in the time interval. In the time interval T final to T initial. Understood, students? Like the previous graph, we found the body was at this point in the curve. Initial velocity at time t1 was this much. Final velocity at time t2, Tf is this much. So what is the change in velocity with respect to time? There is change in velocity Vf minus Vi by change in time Tf minus Ti. That is, students, the average acceleration.